In this video, I will show you exactly how to hide any layer in Adobe Express using the built-in visibility settings. This technique is incredibly helpful when you are working on a complex design with overlapping elements and need to clear some visual clutter without actually deleting your hard work. To get started, you first need to locate the Layers panel. Look toward the top right corner of your screen for the Layers icon, which looks like a small stack of squares. Once you click that icon, the layer stack will expand on the right side of your workspace, showing every individual object, text box, and image currently in your project. Now you need to find the specific item you want to hide. You can simply scroll through the list and click on the layer thumbnail to select it. When a layer is selected, you will notice a tiny eye icon situated right next to the thumbnail image in the panel. To hide that layer, just tap on the eye icon once. You will see a diagonal line appear through the eye, indicating that the layer is now invisible on your canvas. This allows you to focus on other details or see what is directly underneath that specific object. If you ever need to bring that element back into view, you can simply click the eye icon again